How to pay with Doordash gift card. So in this method, there are two options that you can do. First option is add it manually to your Doordash account by entering the gift card code during your checkout or under the gift card section in your account settings. If you want your gift card to be posted to your Doordash credits, then you can just manually add it by there. Now, second thing that you can do is just heading directly to my account settings tab, and then under payment method, just head directly to gift cards. Now you will be asked if you would like to purchase a gift card or you would like to enter the specific PIN on the gift card that you have. Simply add it there and you should be able to use it. Simply add it there and you should be able to use it as one of the payment method from the current order that you have. Take note that if the specific order total exceeds the gift card balance, then you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method, like maybe a credit card that you have. So that is how you pay with DoorDash using a gift card.